well, we're gonna try. We'll see what happens. We had to spin our wheels a little bit, and we spun our wheels to get out of our driveway, and now Scott's adjusting the brakes on the Jeep, which we're towing, and so he had to adjust the cable. And yeah, it's still pretty snowy out, but it looks like the roads are clear. Clouds are a little low. It's a little foggy out, but I figured tomorrow it's supposed to have some freezing rain in the area, so let's get out today. We're gonna head down towards Reno, see how far we get, and then we'll make a judgment call from there. So stay tuned. What are you looking at, Lily? We'll be back. Let me get out and see what number this is.
Well, we made it to Whiskey Flats RV Park. We went quite a bit further than we were planning. This is in Hawthorne, Nevada. You're all right, Willie. She's right there. Good morning, y'all. Oh, wait, that's a different channel. Good morning. We are at the Whiskey Flats campground or RV park in Henderson, Nevada. So we got up, it's about 7:30 in the morning right now, and I'm taking the dogs for their little morning go to the bathroom. So it's kind of a pretty morning. 27 degrees is what it said, and yeah, we're going to continue on our travels today. All right, off we go. Leaving, not Henderson,
Hawthorne, Nevada. It was really pretty. I think the hills, the mountains around.
Not bad. Not a bad quick pull through spot for a night.
Yeah, I'd stay here again. So where are we headed today?
You said towards Flagstaff, so we'll figure that out, I guess, as we get closer to that direction. Flagstaff is 450 miles, it said.
Recalculating.
Everything looks good.
See where we end up. Figured we'd show them this park a little bit as we drive out, and then get back. It's right off of 95 right there.
Turn right on 25th Street.
Looks like
then
some gravel spots and some mostly concrete paths.
Turn left on Essex Avenue.
But
some of the big 45-foot fifth wheels, well, they could fit. They just have to disconnect and park their trucks something a little differently. They couldn't stay connected, for sure. We were just about to the limit with the Jeep behind us to stay connected, I think.
one thing I like that if you go through Nevada a lot and you have dogs, you know that the thorns, the goat heads can be really bad. And so this park, I didn't see any. So it was all well graveled, not a lot of broken glass. Just seemed to be pretty.
I don't know if this is the way I'm supposed to go or not. This is the way the GPS said to go.
There's no exit over there.
There's not?
No.
Then why did the GPS just tell me to go this way?
I don't know.
Oopsie.
Recalculating.
We're not going to be able to see it. Seneca. all the way through. Get up there. Go all the way through. All the way through. Come down.
Sundowner Saloon in Kingman, Arizona is our harvest host for tonight. Actually have some old friends that live here in town are going to meet up with us. And another friend happens to be up by Lake Havasu, and he's going to drive down and meet up with us and have some drinks and catch up. It's been a long time. A lot warmer weather here. Wearing t-shirt. Happens to be Tuesday, so we got our True Blue Tuesday shirt on.
Had a really nice night last night, having a couple drinks and some really good tacos. It was Taco Tuesday, so $6 tacos couldn't be beat. They were delicious. And so had a nice quiet night's sleep, and yeah, back on the road today. So, yay.
My name is Amy in the States, and
Patience, Super C. That's like a logo.
race car. Get your kicks on Route 66. Wildlife crossing. There's an underground bridge. That would be a tunnel, actually. That'd be a tunnel.
You're so pretty.
What is my problem today? I didn't take my smart juice today or something. Is that a Super C? No, that's a fifth wheel. It's a truck camper.
That's a truck camper with
Truck
a ring
camper
on
with a
it.
trailer. Sorry, what? That's a 3-bedroom.
Mother-in-law quarters.
Yeah. Okay, dogs, you stay still. Stay. You're not staying.
Definitely.
Because we're leveling. It's the really rough work of leveling in a motorhome.
Mm-hmm.
No blocks,
Nope.
no
Got-
digging holes.
We got snap pads. Level Mate Pro. We're pretty close. Auto level. Sit still.
Can we pant? Is that okay?
Panty. Sierra Blanca Brewery. Harvest host for the night.
Oh, sorry.
What'd you think?
It was delicious. I thought you were taking a picture, so I was posing.